Please do subscribe.
Hello friends, Namaste, how are you all? So today we'll be learning this very famous song जिसका नाम है Summer of '69, rock song. And here I will teach you two things. First, single string में कैसे आप बजाओगे I will teach you. Secondly, easy strumming. आप strumming करके भी गा के भी बजा सकते हो, ठीक है? And at the end of the lesson, मैं आपको एक technique सिखाऊंगा how to remain focused in life. And also one photograph I'll share. So let's go to the lesson first. So let's play line by line. Okay, it starts with okay, the notes are E10, 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 E14, E12, E10. Notes are E12, 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 E14, E10, E12, E12. Similarly, notes are E10, 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 E14, E12, E10, E10. Notes are E12, 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 E14, E10, E12, E12. Then comes okay, the notes are E10, 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 E9, E10, E12 to E14 slide. Then notes are E12, 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 E14, E10, E12, E12. Then notes are E10, 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 E12, E14 slide back to E10. Then E12, 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 E14, E10, E12, E12. Next. Notes are E10, 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 E9, E10, E10. Then notes are E14, 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 E17, E15, E10, E12. Notes are E10, 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 E9, E10, E12. Then notes are E14, 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 E17, E15, E10, E12. Then notes are E10, 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 E9, E10, E12, E9, E10. Now I will show you how to play the chords with easy strumming. I have divided this song into two parts, part 1 और part 2. ठीक है? First part में जो strumming है वो मैंने ये use किया. Simple down, 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 down strumming में. I got my first 6 string, body and a 5 and down. Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school went a band at a jewelry hall. Jimmy Queen, jewelry got married. Shouldn't know, but never get far. अभी second part में आप कैसे strumming बजाओगे? Simple. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, it is very easy to concentrate, to remain motivated, to remain focused. I'll show you a trick today. It will work amazingly. 2 minutes you do every day and you see the difference. Keep your hands in front of you. Take a deep breath in. Hold for 10 seconds. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. 10 seconds. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. 10 seconds. Breathe out. Do this and you will see the difference. How active you remain the whole day.